In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to use the Appium MCP server to automatically analyze a mobile application, capture every screen, and generate complete documentation, all without manually tapping through the app. This approach is especially powerful for multilingual apps. Instead of manually checking every screen in every language, you can simply set your target locale and let the server capture all screens for you. We'll use the same Appium MCP server by Sergey Gavrilov from the previous video. Just ensure it's running by clicking Start. For this demo, I'm using my Automation Practice app, which I built specifically for hands-on automation exercises. I've included the link if you'd like to use this app for your own practice. The Appium server is already running, and our Android emulator is up and ready. Here's the prompt we'll use to analyze the app and gather the screenshots. Using the Appium MCP server, perform a complete screen capture audit of the Android mobile application. We start by pointing the agent to the ScriptLab Android app, which is located in the app/Android folder. Next, we pass in the authentication details, the username and password needed to log into the app. After that, we move into the automated screen discovery section. Here, we instruct the agent to systematically explore the entire navigation structure, identify all accessible screens, views, and states, and map out the full hierarchy and flow of the application. We then specify exactly what we want captured: the core screens, secondary screens, interactive elements, form screens, and any special UI states. We also define a clear naming convention for the screenshot files, along with instructions to embed the images directly into the documentation, so we don't have to manually review each file one by one. All of this should be compiled into a single markdown file called screen_catalog_android. Now that the prompt is ready, let's run it and see the results. Make sure you're in Copilot's agent mode. I'm using Cloud 4.0 here, but I've also tested this MCP server with GPT 4.1, GPT 5, and Cloud 4.5. The Cloud 4.5 has given me the best results so far. Throughout the workflow, the Appium MCP server prompted me for permission before performing any sensitive action. It successfully navigated through all screens, analyzed each view, and collected the screenshots. It even explored the child screen nested under the More section. In the end, it generated a detailed, well-structured report. Let's take a look at the report. As you can see, it generated a detailed screen capture catalog. It lists all the main screens in the app, groups them into categories like primary navigation and secondary screens, and even includes a navigation flow diagram. It also highlights key features, interactive elements, and then the most useful section, a complete gallery of all captured screenshots. The report also identifies known gaps, which we can use to craft our next prompt and explore the app even further. And beyond that, it provides recommendations for extended testing. If you want to perform visual testing on a mobile app, especially for apps that support multiple languages, the MCP Appium Server can save you a huge amount of time by automating the entire process without any manual tapping through the app. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out my other videos in this series, where I explore how to use the Appium MCP Server for smarter mobile app testing.